In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to a Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into the Facebook account that owns or manages the business you want to work with. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to the Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is usually found at business.facebook.com. When it loads, you should see your main business home screen with things like your pages, notifications, and insights. From here, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings to open your business settings area. This is where you manage people, permissions, and all your business assets connected to Meta. Inside Settings, at the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button called Invite People. Click on that. This is what you use to add new team members, including new admins, to your business. A pop-up window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the email address they use for their Facebook or work account. Take a second to double-check the spelling here, because the invitation will be sent to this email. Once you've entered the email address correctly, click on Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see permission options. To make this person an admin in your business suite, toggle on the option that gives them full control. This means they'll be able to manage people, pages, and other assets. So only do this for someone you fully trust, like a business partner or a senior team member. After enabling full control, click Next. Now you'll assign the specific assets they can access. You'll see a list of pages linked to your business. Click on the page or pages you want them to manage. If they are going to be a full admin for everything in this business, you can use the Select All checkbox to give them access to all pages at once. On the right-hand side, you'll see another toggle to grant full control for each selected page. Turn this on as well so they have complete admin permissions for those pages. When you're done setting this up, click Next again. Finally, you'll see a summary screen, including how many assets you're sharing, such as pages. Click on Invite to send the invitation. The person will receive an email and will need to accept the invite before their admin